the Yawanawa, and we've lived in harmony with nature in the Amazon rainforest for thousands of years. But today, we are face to face with a changing world. Over time, our culture began to disappear. So we embarked on a journey to recover our identity from the memories of our elders. And we built our lives deep in the rainforest to create a future for our descendants. We paint our bodies in preparation for ceremonial dances and rituals. And we recite prayers with sacred plant medicines to heal and grow. We are the Yawanawa, and our future depends on the preservation of our past.